Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got another advent calendar to share with you, and it's a H&M Jewellery calendar. That's what it looks like. I've never bought a jewellery advent calendar before, but it is very thin and very light. But it's jewellery, it's fashion jewellery. Inside it contains 24 fashion pieces from necklaces, earrings and rings, and the cost of this advent calendar is £19.99. I'll pop a link down in my description, so underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that would bring up my description, and the links will be down there if you're interested in getting this for yourself. But I'm going to open it up day by day, showing you what's inside. It's got a little hanger there, so you can hang it on your wall. Okay then, so number one, and we've got, we've got a necklace. It's a really nice, even though it's obviously not real gold, it's a really nice fine gold necklace. It's not too yellow, which can sometimes look a little bit cheap, can't it? But yeah, no, that's nice. I really like it. It's got a little star pendant. And you've got different options there for lengthening. So I'd say this is more like choker size, and then you've got two extra little rings there to extend it. Yeah, I really like that. So that's day number one. Day number two, we've got some earrings and they're all upside down. Hold on. So a pair of earrings, and they say love in gold, and they've got a little stone there. On the back just to show you. So yeah, they're really pretty. They're not my style, I've got to be honest. I prefer more bohemian style jewellery, but these are really pretty. They are really pretty, but the fact they say love, not for me personally, but I do have an idea of who might love them, so they won't go amiss. As soon as I saw this advent calendar, I was so excited. Really, I adore jewellery. I love jewellery. You can see behind me, I've got loads and loads of necklaces. I've got lots of different rings. I just love it. Oh, these are nice. Now these are perfect. Another set of earrings for the little studs, the little sparkly studs. Oh, I love them. I can put these, depending on the size of them, I'll put them in the top there. Yeah, definitely my style. Day number four, we got some more earrings. Now, these are quite cute. They're Christmassy earrings. They're little snowflakes. Aren't they cute? So they're gold, and they've got like a little sparkly stud there. They are lovely. They are really nice. Again, not really my style. I don't wear Christmas themed earrings or anything like that. I'm quite boring really, aren't I? I don't venture out. We have different styles, but they are very cute. So again, I know just the person to pass these on to. So there's that. Number five, up the top here, and we've got... This is cute. It is really cute. I actually might wear this on Christmas Day. I might do. It's a little Santa ear cuff. Can you see there? So it's a little ear cuff. So you hook it on your ear. Yeah, I can use this here because I've got piercings there and there, but I can put it up here somewhere. So yeah, I'll save it. I'll save it. I'll break the mould. I'll wear that on Christmas Day. So there's that. Number six, we've got some heart earrings. We've got little gold heart earrings. We haven't had anything silver yet, have we? No, not yet. Silver is my preference, but I do wear gold. I tend to wear more gold in the summer. But yeah, again, not really into hearts. So maybe this advent calendar isn't aimed at someone of my age. Maybe it's for teens. I'll have to open it all and see, but please let me know down in the comments your thoughts. Jewellery is like makeup, isn't it? You wear what you want to wear. Okay then, so number seven, up here. Ooh, I think number 10 is falling down. No, I don't want to see you yet. Number 10. We've got little hoops. And these are little gold hoops. Now these are nice. These are really nice. I would use those for my second holes. I've got little hoops there. But no, I could use those for the second holes. It's not a tacky gold. Do you know what I mean by a tacky gold? It just looks really cheap and ugh. And it's more like tin. It's not. It's fashion jewellery. So, you know, if you're going to wear them constantly, then it'll probably tarnish in a year or two time or whatever. Number 8. Ooh, this is pretty. This is pretty. I really, really love that. This is another ear cuff, but it's a gold one with a little sparkly stone. Isn't that gorgeous? Ooh, I really, really like that. Much better than the Santa one, but I will wear the Santa one. No, I like it. Okay, number 9 down here. We've got a ring. Got a gold ring with a little stone on it. Now, when I buy like fashion jewellery, I tend to go for large because my fingers are large. See, I've got one on my thumb. That's the silver one. It's the same as this. It's really pretty. Yeah, I like that. Like that. Put it to my gold ring collections. Hey, we are on number 10 and it's at the top here. And this is one that is trying to travel all the way down. Calendar. Oh, we've got some earrings. We've got some dangly gold hoops with hearts. No, not my cup of tea, unfortunately. There is nothing wrong with them. It's just preference, isn't it? Just preference. So what we number 11 now. There is a ton of earrings in this advent calendar. Now these are super cute. Oh my word, they are super cute. They are little gold reindeers. They are gorgeous, aren't they? Oh, there's me saying no, I'm not into like Christmas jewellery and things like that. I would never buy it, but now that I've got it, I will wear it. I'll make an effort to wear it Christmas time. They are cute though. Maybe I can just put them up here next to my Santa cuff. So there's those. Number 12. Now these are nice as well. These are earrings I would wear. I can stack them all together. Maybe in the summertime I'll switch all my earrings around and go for gold. Number 13. Ooh, what is this? Something Christmassy. There's a Christmas tree little pendant there. Oh, I've got no excuse now, have I? I gotta wear them all Christmas time. So there's a little Christmas tree pendant there. So I'm assuming you could just mix and match. Take the star off and put the Christmas tree on there. Oh, that's a good idea. That is a good idea. Number 14. Oh, we got something silver. And these are little stars. I do really like these. They go on your ears sideways. Little silver stars there. Yep, I'll wear those. Number 15. We've got like tiny little pearls. Again, not my style, but they're quite nice. They're really small and dainty. They are pretty. They are pretty, but yeah, just not for me. Number 16, more earrings, and they're Christmas earrings, and we got little candy canes. They're really cute. Oh, I've got no excuse. I've got a lot of Christmas jewellery now, haven't I? If I've got enough earrings, I can do a full year of Christmas earrings. So it's that. 17 at the top here. Another little pendant. Oh, I was thinking then, that's a bit odd. It just looks like a conker or something. Look, I'll show you what I saw first. So again, that's a bit odd, isn't it? But no. Here's a sparkly one. That is my favourite so far. That's the type of thing that I would wear. So yeah, I really like that. It's dainty. So it's a little dainty one. So I would swap the star and use that. No, I really, really like that. Number 18 over here. Ooh. Oh, we've got bow earrings. No, they're gold. Gold bow earrings. Nah, not for me. But very cute. Number 19. Ooh. We've got, oh, it's a ring. It's got a little star on it there. It's the sort of ring that I'd put on my thumb. If it fits my thumb, that is. No, not really. Not really, unless I wear it at the top there. But yeah, it might be nice stacked with another ring. What are we now? Number 20. So we're counting down. Yeah. Got Christmas tree earrings. Didn't we have these already? We had a Christmas tree pendant, didn't we? Those are super, super cute. They are super cute. But it's not the sort of thing I would wear all the time. 21. Oh, we got a silver ring, and that fits my thumb fine. There's just a little plain ring there. Very simple band. Number 22. Oh my word. Christmas themed ring. That is really cute, actually. That is really cute. It's a little ribbon ring. That is cute. That is cute, but no, I'll probably give it to my daughter to wear at Christmas time. 23, so 2 left. Oh, there's nothing in my 23. Have I just opened it? I might have opened it. I will find out when I edit this back, but yeah, we got 24 then down here. But if I haven't already opened it, I'm not happy. But that I didn't get anything, and there's nothing else that is stuck there. We have got Christmas earrings in little ribbons to match the ring. They are pretty cool, aren't they? I really, really like them. Little ribbons. Oh my word. So looking at all the jewellery, it's definitely a Christmas themed advent calendar. There's a few other fashion pieces which I will be wearing not just around Christmas time, but I'd say the majority of the items are Christmas themed. So if that is your thing and you're looking for an affordable advent calendar that has a bit of a mix of necklaces, earrings and rings, then I do recommend you checking this advent calendar out. Would I buy it again? No. I think once I've got 5 pairs of Christmas earrings and necklaces and stuff, then I don't need any more. I never wear Christmassy jewellery anyway, but I will do this year. I will do, because obviously it's here now. There's a few pieces that I'm going to gift away. Like, as I said, I'm not into like hearts and ribbons and things, but there's a few that I really like. I adore the little cuff with the little diamante stone, the rings as well, really nice rings. Yeah, there's some nice things there. It's not bad, but I don't think I will get one next year unless they take out the Christmassy themed jewellery, but who knows, who knows. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this advent calendar? Have you bought this advent calendar for yourself or as a gift? But yeah, all your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.